Yes, what do you want?
The name's Roy. Roy Temperance. I have a meeting with General Honor Grant. I was told to come here.
Yes, you can enter.
Hi. You're expecting me, I think.
I am. Good to meet you.
Really? Mind telling me what you want from me?
I have heard you are being hunted as a renegade. Rest assured, I have no intention of giving you up to the Source. To be perfectly frank, I'll admit I'm not very fond of them. And they feel the same way about me. But I'm high enough up the ranks that they can't do much against me, or those who work for me.
Ah, I think I'm starting to see what you're getting at.
All right, listen. I'm trying to understand how they got so powerful. I am worried. So I decided to put together a group of people to find out. You already know Devotion. She's my eyes and sometimes my hand. I'd like you to join her in the group, but I'm sure you have questions.
I have one. You say you never liked technomancers, but you ask Roy for help.
I know how to tell the difference between the technomancers from the Source and a renegade, girl. And even if you obviously have the same skills and are a bit disturbed, you'll understand that I'm not worried about you betraying me. Neither of you will find the Source and reveal the existence of my little group. And both your skills and knowledge of the enemy will be useful to me. More questions?
Tja, haben wir Fragen? Und er möchte, dass wir bei ihm beitreten. Aber warum?
You're in the government, you work with the Technomancers, and you're best friends with dear Dowser Wisdom. Why in hell would I join a group under the thumb of corrupt and murdering people, huh?
General, let me make him eat his words.
No, Devotion. It's a good question. I put up with the Technomancers and their madness more than I work with them. As for the murders, I suppose you're referring to the disappearances in the militia. That is their work, not mine. Even if I can't understand the reasons for it. And as for the corruption, I think you're mistaken. I'm no saint, but I can say that today I am the only defense left against the Technomancers' coup. You're being hunted, tracked by the Technomancers, as you know. If you have my protection, they'll have to leave you alone.
I know you're a friend of Wisdom. This group kind of looks like treason to me.
You are mistaken. It is, on the contrary, my duty to protect my friend and Dowser from what threatens him. In this case, the Technomancers. I don't know how they've managed to convince him to give them so much power. Just like me, he knows that you are unstable. That's why they didn't have that much power before. But they are gaining strength, and I have to protect Aurora and Wisdom from their schemes.
And Devotion? You make her sound like your crony. Who are you exactly anyway, miss?
The General told you, I am his eyes and hands when there must be killing. He took me in before the war. I was only a child. Since then, I have been showing him my gratitude.
You can trust her as much as me. As long as you don't betray me, of course.
Why not help the Resistance if you want to go against the Technomancers? After all, they have pretty much the same goal.
Not really. I know they hate the Technomancers as much as I do. But they are idealists, and they want to change society. Power to the people. Allow me to tell you that that is as credible and inoffensive as what we are faced with from your former colleagues. Chaos. And in a few months, an invasion by the neighboring guilds. I did not win the war against Abundant to see my guild devoured so soon after my victory. Those people may have good intentions, but they're dangerous.
I'm sure you understand it's not the kind of decision you make just like that. I need time to think.
I understand. And I have to admit that I find that reassuring in a way. You deserve your name more than it would appear. Temperance. I'll get back to you in a while.
Thanks. I'm going in that case.
Goodbye, Roy. But don't forget, if you have even the slightest feeling for Aurora, I am its last defender.
So, jetzt sind wir. Ach, da schon her. Da sind wir. Gut, den General haben wir getroffen. Und wir könnten jetzt eigentlich zu unserer Behausung zurückgehen. Und da eine kleine Pause machen. Jetzt ist die Frage, wo waren die? Da ist Fate. Unsere Behausung, wo war denn die nochmal? Ein Schritt zurück. War die da hinten? Schaut fast so aus. Gut, dann schauen wir mal.
Surprise. Attack!
Tenacity.
Das stimmt doch nicht, gell?
Admit, I wouldn't come to say hi if I wasn't getting paid.
Scheiße, ich bin fast tot.
A nice electric guy came to ask me to kill you. And you know me. I'm really glad.
Ja, jetzt sind wir tot. Und das ist übrigens der Kopfgeldjäger. Moment, nochmal. Da durchgehen. Dann machen wir wieder von speichern.
Tenacity.
Und das nicht mehr überspringen.
I gotta admit, I wouldn't come to say hi if I wasn't getting paid a run. A nice electric guy came to ask me to kill you. And you know me. I'm real obliging when I get paid.
I'm just gonna let you take me out.
I was kind of hoping you'd give yourself up, actually. Because you see,
Ja, Udi, gehen wir weg da.
in there.
You can go fuck yourself. I know how you work. You'll kill her too. Whatever.
Scheiße, ich schaffe wieder nicht.
I'm hurt, Roy. Really?
Ja. Das heißt gleich nochmal.
Tenacity.
I gotta admit, I wouldn't come to say hi if I wasn't getting paid a buck.
Die scheiß Viecher da hinten so weit ausgehen, weil wir es nicht von Eis schlagen können,
And you know
sondern nur von hinten.
I'm real obliging when I get paid.
If you think I'm just gonna let you take me out.
I was kind of hoping you'd give yourself up, actually. Because you see, poor Charity is locked up in there.
You can go fuck
Ja, sie ist schon
yourself.
wieder
I know how
erledigt.
you work. You'll kill her too. Whatever happens.
I'm hurt, Roy. Really, I'm hurt. I thought we were friends.
Scheiße. Der eine ist fast fertig, gell? So, der noch. Scheiße, wir haben keine Muni mehr. Jetzt kommt der auch noch. Sollte hoffentlich nicht so schwer sein, der Kopfgeldjäger.
Fuck, you're even better than I remembered. I must be starting to get rusty. I'm too old for this business.
You've known me for ages. Why'd you accept this job?
You know me too. I'm not the kind to do something for sentimental reasons. I was always a bastard. Just ask Charity. I must have had an unhappy childhood. But I'm always practical, and I don't feel like dying just yet. I broke that contract, and even if you decided not to kill me, I would still be in shit.
You got yourself in it on your own.
It's true. Listen, I think the only way I can get out of this is by working for you. What do you say? You know I'm good.
You really think that after what you just did, I'm gonna hire you? without mentioning how you're a turncoat?
Keep dreaming. But you know I won't have a choice anyway. I'll have to stick to you like glue and take part in the fight. Now it's up to you, of course.
He's pretty disgusting and doesn't seem very honest, but I like the way he speaks. He says funny things.
Listen to the chick. She walks around half naked and it's like there's a meltdown going on between her ears. You already got a nutcase with you. Why not a bastard?
Tja, gute Frage. Also er ist ein Verräter. Und jetzt sollen wir uns entscheiden, ob er für uns kämpft, ob er sich schleicht oder ob er sterben muss. Das ist eine gute Frage. Was mache ich denn? Gut, soll man ausnahmsweise nochmal davor kommen lassen und dass er für uns arbeitet. Und falls er nochmal Faxen macht, dann werden wir ihn erledigen. Wieder mal sagen, das klingt ganz gut.
Alright, but I don't really know why I'm doing this. Maybe because I don't want to be a bastard like you. First sign of any backstabbing, you're a dead man.
You're really a great guy, Roy. Gotta say. Let me get my shit together and I'm all yours.
Genau, heute ein Scheißdreck. Und dann kann er mit uns kommen. So, wir möchten erstmal Pause machen.
Roy, can I do something for you?
I was wondering,
Mag sie denn plaudern?
what are the Abundance Technomancers like? Do they have the same status as here?
I don't know much about it. But from what I saw, people are afraid of them, just like here. And they'll never get supreme power. But they're in the army. They're officers. They're not allowed to group together like here. A master can have an apprentice, that's all. They're first and foremost a war resource, I think. And nothing more.
I want to tell you something. No, let's...
Gut, dann würde ich sagen, wir stellen uns da rein und machen mal wieder Pause. Da schau her, was treiben Sie da?
And I knew that scumbag when I was a kid. He always was a snake. Anyway, thanks. Thanks a lot.
I wasn't about to lose my best source of information.
Don't be so cynical. You're a good man, Roy. I got nothing on me right now, but drop by my place. I'll give you something.
Yeah, alright. I'll drop by.
Gut, bei der sollen wir später mal vorbeischauen. Achso, der hat die da eingesperrt. Da schau her. Gut, aber dennoch machen wir Pause.